people who are undergoing depression naman, all they need is time. Just give them time. Huwag nyo silang, sorry for the term, huwag nyo silang masyadong kulitin to be better, to be okay, because sila lang po talaga makakatulong sa sarili nila. And of course, all the people that really takes care and who loves them unconditionally. Because that's how I really appreciate what happened during the time that I was undergoing that, because all of the people, yung support system ko is nakaalalay lang sa akin, and they're not forcing me to be better immediately just because of work, just because you have to do this and do that. But all they need, all we need, well, basically me, all I needed was time and prayers actually. So yun yung nakagaling sa akin. No, doesn't affect me actually. Parang I've been here for 15 years. It's part of it. People are entitled to their opinion, so bigay na natin. Okay na, support natin sila dyan.
Alden, what have you been doing to take care of your mental health lately?
Cycling po, actually. Cycling is really important to me right now, and I still make it to a point to do it every day, as much as I can before work. Laking tulong. Parang bagong outlet ko siya ngayon.
Ano yung pinakamahabang na cycle mo?
106 kilometers.
Wow!
From Pasig to Pililla, Rizal.
Yeah.
Alden, sunod-sunod yung mga awards mo. What keeps you grounded?
It's the purpose. It's the purpose that I have in this lifetime and in this career that I have. For me, hindi na siya about fame, hindi na siya about money. Ano ba yung pwede kong may contribute dito sa industriya kung nasan ako? Minahal ko at minahal ako ng industry natin. Ano ba yung pwede kong maibalik? So I think that's the reason why I wake up every day. That's the reason why ang dami kong gustong gawin in terms of helping and giving back to the industry. And syempre yung mga nangangailangan din ng tulong, gusto nating bigyan sila ng pansin most of the time.
And Alden, how do you napupuri ka, Alden, because of your gratefulness na hindi ka nakakalimot, di ba?
Yes,
Kilala ka ng mga tao sa ganyan.
Opo, sana maging inspiration din siya, especially to the new ones. Na it's not about how good you are, it's not about your looks, it's not about your fame, it's not about your talent, it's about who you are as a person. I think they should remember that. I think isa yun sa mga bagay na kailangan nilang i-consider, because this industry is good, but sometimes unfair at the same time. So you gotta leave a good mark to the people who you meet. So it's always about who you are, and dapat grounded lagi, humble lagi, mabait lagi.
So anong naging reaction mo nung in-honor ka ni May Mendoza sa pag-start ng
I don't wanna comment on that issue po, so